My name is Kazumi Fujisawa. I am 20 years old. My major is digital studio art. I came to Oneonta mostly because of its location. The fact that I was in the mountain and that there was nature all around mostly. And the first person who I saw was actually my roommate. And then I also saw Denise from the Office of Global Education. She was there too. She welcomed me and they helped me with the documentations and everything. I got assigned a dragon guide. She helped me adjust, and also at the same time, I cried one time last semester, and when I cried, she helped me and she was really comforting. I became really close with all of the other international students. Sometimes we have dinner together on Thursdays and we meet up. It's like this big group of people in the dining room just laughing. I also made a lot of friends last semester, and I'm actually going to be rooming with them next semester.